The project Transport is bigger in scale, and it's actually 6 theaters which are cooperating with each other. And the beautiful thing that we have here, the possibility that we have here, is that we can explore one topic, the topic of transport, from 6 different angles, because each theater is going to get one show, and each show is addressing the topic of transport from a different point of view. So this gives us a beautiful opportunity to really explore the topic of transport in depth. And for the Czech show, for the show that we are doing here in Plzeň, in Divadlo ALFA, we decided to look on the impact that the transportation has on nature, on the ecological impact, because a lot of contemporary transport is still dependent on oil industry. Basically, we are looking on how the drilling industry, the oil drilling industry, is basically affecting our planet, and also through this event that we are exploring in our show. Our show is speaking about a disaster that happened on the oil rig in Gulf of Mexico. There was an explosion on the oil rig in Gulf of Mexico. There were a lot of corporations involved in this accident. And what happened is basically they didn't follow security measures well enough. They were also pushing the workers on the oil rig to catch the timeline. So, and these steps resulted in a horrific accident that happened. Actually, through our show, we are trying to explore the environmental impact that this event had on the nature, but also we want to see the, let's say, the part of how responsibility was taken afterwards. This project, the idea of this project started actually 5 years ago. So the first initial idea was to connect 6 theaters in kind of an omnibus and to explore one topic in depth. No? And now it's really nice to see how the project is developing and what actually still lies ahead of us. No? Because after, so this 1.5 years was quite intense, because it was, let's say, making one production after the other. The Plzeň one is now the last one, the premiere that is going to be here in 2 weeks. It's actually the last one, and it's kind of a perfect ending to a beautiful story, but at the same time it's a beginning of a new story, because the shows are, I hope and I think, are going to have a long life, traveling around the world and meeting different audiences. So this is what lies kind of ahead of us, and I'm very much excited to see this further development of the whole story.